Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to Excel sheet print easy method. First, open the Page Layout tab and set margins, orientation, and paper size to match your needs. Next, adjust scaling to fit columns on one page or choose specific page breaks. Use Print Preview to check headers, footers, and alignment. Make small tweaks to column width and row height to avoid cutoff data before printing. In this video, I will show how to Excel sheet print easy method. After layout settings, focus on scaling to control how your data fits on paper and keeps text readable. Select Fit Sheet on one page or set a custom percent like 85% to balance size and clarity. Check headers and footers remain legible and adjust font sizes only if necessary. Always preview multiple pages to confirm consistent appearance and alignment. In this video, I will show how to Excel sheet print easy method. Quick recommendation: when you're tweaking settings and sipping coffee, stay hydrated with the Owala water bottle, which seals tight and fits most cup holders. If you're finding this useful, please subscribe and like to help more people learn simple Excel tricks. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to Excel sheet print easy method. Add headers and footers for context, like titles and page numbers, to make multi-page reports easy to follow. Use narrow margins like 0.5 inches when your printer supports them to maximize usable space. Consider repeating row labels at top of each page by printing titles on every page. Finally, preview and adjust so headers do not overlap your data or get trimmed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.